We are in YAECHIKA. We are almost in Sushiro. Okay, we've arrived to Sushiro.
We have reservation.
Yeah. Maybe you need to have reservation or you need to wait like 1 hour. So you should have reservation.
Call me for delivery. From Monday to Sunday, whatever you need, I got sushi.
Our place is 56. Yeah, here. Okay, this is our seat. Oh, I'm very hungry. Yay. This is how to, if you want English, we can have English. Yeah. And now you press select language and next. Yeah. What the fuck is this thing? Confirm. So now we are going to make ocha. So this is how to make ocha. You have some, I think, spoon, and you put it in your cup like this. Okay. Now you go here and don't touch the hot water. Be careful, and you press down and wow. Now you get your serve it to your passenger or your. If you want this one, you add it. I like this one.
Maximum plate is 4 plate,
4 plates.
right?
So maybe I'll have some. So maybe this one is good for me. So you just press it. Yeah. So my dad will choose some. My dad choose some Maguro. Now maybe he will. Okay.
All Maguro.
Oh, he's having all Maguro. Okay. Another one. Oh, he's having another one. Oh my god. He's having a lot of Maguro. I'm proud of Sushiro. I love Sushiro. Oh, he totally had 8.
Please pick up.
Oh, my order came. Wow. Okay, maybe this is mine. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, another one. Oh, my dad's are a lot of it.
This is yours. This
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So this is my order, and that's my dad's order. My dad and my dad. So my dad 8 sushis came, and my 3 sushis are came.
Okay.
So
This one, albacore tuna. This one, bluefin tuna chutoro. This one, bluefin tuna aburi. This one, big white tuna. This one, bluefin tuna otoro. This one is big white tuna zuke. This one, Maguro yuke, tuna yuke, Korean sauce. This one is gunkan yamakake, Japanese style. Hey, Tommy.
So now it's my turn. So this is salmon basil mozzarella cheese. This is shrimp basil cheese mayonnaise. And this is Maguro. We have three kind of soy sauce. This is the normal one. This is the sugary, and this is the less salt soy sauce. So I'm using sugary sauce. It's bajiru salmon mozzarella. So we're going to compare sugary sauce and without any sauce. So let's try it. Itadakimasu. So yeah. It's very good.
Yeah.
Now we're having without any sauce. Oh no.
Oh
Okay. My dad have a choice. Which sauce would you like?
no. This one. Normal one.
Normal one. My dad's choice is normal one. So which one?
My style is put in directly.
Oh, my dad put soy sauce on everyone.
I put on
Wasabi.
wasabi.
And my dad, if he wants ginger, so everyone, this is called ginger. In Japanese, it's called gari. Okay, my dad wants some gari.
Yeah,
There you go.
put on here.
So yeah,
Okay.
but I don't like gari. I don't like gari.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's eat.
how is it?
Really nice.
Okay, he says it's very good.
And this one, 150 Japanese yen, which means $1.
So if it's in America, this would cost like $3. But in Japan, it costs $1. Japan is very cheap. Now I'm going to eat some ebi bajiru mayo cheese. Yeah. So first, I'm going to put some sugary sauce. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, and I want to have some meatball mayo rolls. Yeah. So.
Good?
Next, I'm having meatball. Cheers.
Oh no! No? Are you gonna eat? No good.
Let's eat some heavy. So this is I think we're supposed to do. What the fuck?
Mamma mia!
So good.
How many?
Let's see the sushi counter. So 16 plates.
Mamma mia!
Wow. By the way, if my mom was here, it will be like 25 plates. It will be like until here. It will be like a tower.
So let's check how much is it.
Let's check how much this thing is. Oh my god. It's 3,870 yens. If it's in US dollars, it'll be no?
25, 30.
25 to $30.
But nice.
Mamma mia!
You can get good experience
Yeah.
in Sushiro.
If you have time, try Sushiro. It's in everywhere in Tokyo.
Yeah.
And even in Shibuya.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. And
Yeah.
please subscribe and like this video.
Yeah. We will continue to upload it.
Yeah. The next video will be in Kurazushi. See you in the next video.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.